everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix cleared notifications on iPhone and iPad keep coming back. Have you ever cleared notifications from the notification center on your iPhone or iPad only to have them back a day or two later? When you clear notifications on your iPhone or iPad, they are supposed to go away permanently if things don't work how they're supposed to. Those iPhone or iPad notifications keep coming back, then you should try to fix this. But if the problem persists, in this video I'll tell you how to get rid of iPhone notifications that keep coming back after you have cleared them. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. The first step is update your iPhone. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on download and install the latest version of iOS and you are done. And the next step is force restart your iPhone. To force restart your iPhone, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. Next, slide to power off and wait for 30 to 60 seconds and then press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. The next step is reset all settings on iPhone or iPad. If old iPad or iPhone notifications keep appearing, it's time to reset the settings on your iPhone or iPad. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom, next tap on transfer reset iPhone, then tap on reset, next tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset all settings on your iPhone and you are done. If cleared notifications keep coming back on your iPhone or iPad, you can also reset network settings. Keep in mind that taking these steps means that you will have to enter your Wi-Fi passwords again. For this, tap on reset and this time choose reset network settings and again enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings and you are done. And the next step is update apps on iPhone and iPad. If clear notifications keeps coming back from particular apps, updating apps on your iPhone or iPad might help. You can update all your apps at once. For this, go to App Store and then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Next, scroll down to update all option. Next, tap on update all option to update all the apps that needs to be. And you are done. And the next step is backup and restore iPhone or iPad to factory settings. A factory reset is an extreme step to take for reappearing notifications and I would not recommend it unless this problem is driving you absolutely nuts. This is because a factory reset will erase all content settings and data. Back up your iPhone or iPad, then factory reset your device. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Next, tap on erase all content and settings. Then tap on continue and then tap on erase iPhone again to confirm. Once the reset is complete, restore your device from the backup to get the data and settings back on your iPhone or iPad and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix cleared notifications on iPhone and iPad keeps coming back, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.